Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI images based off your photos on CapCut. Super simple. You are pretty much going to go to the homepage. Make sure you update your app first. Also, you need to have the Pro account for this, but basically select AI images. And once you're done, select an image that you want to generate. I'm just going to select this one and wait for it to load. And then you can enter the prompts here, like what you want the AI to have, like the character and like the style and whatnot. I'm just going to type in art and like artist and paint, and I'm going to press done. And then I'm going to generate. You can also adjust the intensity of it, so maybe at like a 25, and press generate. And I only have 5 free uses left, so if you want more, make sure you have the Pro account. But you can either save it or go and press edit to edit your picture, basically. Oh, I don't know where it went, but you can either save it or edit it, I guess. But maybe it's because I don't have the Pro. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!